Most people get this wrong when they choose HR software for a startup. They focus on fancy features instead of what actually matters. But here's the truth no one tells you. In the early stage, HR software is not about complexity. It is about saving time, staying organized, and avoiding messy employee chaos as you grow. In this video, you'll discover the top 5 HR software tools for startups in 2026, what each one is best at, and how to pick the right one for your team. This matters because the wrong HR system can slow your hiring, confuse your payroll, and create problems you don't need when you are trying to grow fast. Let's start with the first one, Gusto. Gusto is one of the most popular choices for startups because it combines payroll, onboarding, and basic HR tools in one system. If you are like Alex, running a small but growing team, Gusto helps you hire and pay employees without juggling multiple tools. But here's the problem. It can get expensive as your team expands. Next is Bamboo. This one is focused purely on HR management, especially employee records, onboarding, and performance tracking. It is clean, simple, and very startup-friendly. For example, Jake uses Bamboo to manage remote employees without getting lost in spreadsheets. Now here's where it gets interesting. It is not a full payroll solution, so you may need another tool alongside it. Third is Rippling. This is one of the most powerful all-in-one platforms. It combines HR, management, payroll, and device control in a single system. That means you can hire someone and set up their laptop access at the same time. It is extremely efficient, but it can feel overwhelming for very small teams just starting out. Fourth is Deel. This one is perfect for startups hiring globally. If you are working with freelancers or remote employees in different countries, Deel handles contracts, payments, and compliance. John, who runs a remote startup team, uses Deel to pay international contractors without worrying about tax complications. But it is more focused on global teams than local ones. Finally, we have Zoho People. This is one of the most budget-friendly HR tools. It covers attendance, leave management, and basic employee records. It is a solid starting point for very early-stage startups, but it lacks some advanced automation features found in premium tools. Now here's the key takeaway. There is no single best HR software for every startup. It depends on your size, your hiring model, and whether your team is local or global. If you want all-in-one simplicity, Gusto or Rippling are strong choices. If you want pure HR management, Bamboo works well. If you are hiring globally, Deel is powerful. And if you are on a tight budget, Zoho People is a good entry point. To wrap it up, the best HR software in 2026 is the one that removes confusion, saves time, and supports your growth without slowing you down. If this helped you, like the video, comment what stage your startup is in, and subscribe for more simple and practical tool breakdowns like this.